Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Bybit account fully verified so you can enjoy higher withdrawal limits and enhanced security. Start by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner of the navigation bar and then go to Account. In the Account Info section, find Identity Verification and click Verify Now to open the verification page. Make sure you select your current country of residence accurately, as this will affect your verification process. Next, it's time to provide your proof of identity. Click Verify under the Proof of Identity section, select the country or region that issued your ID, and choose the type of document you will upload. Take clear photos of your ID. Make sure your full name and date of birth are visible, and avoid editing the document in any way. You can upload files in any standard format. After uploading your ID, complete the facial recognition scan. You can do this using your laptop's camera, or alternatively, scan the QR code with your mobile device to finish the process. Once everything is submitted, wait for Bybit to review your documents. You'll receive confirmation once your account has been successfully verified. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Bybit and crypto tips.